Right, this is what was the brand name? Delonghi. Look at this. It's a Delonghi 4-slice toaster with a warm, defrost, and stop functions. As you can see, it's powered by the mains. Shit, which one is it? I think that's it. I'm gonna put some bread in. I'm using Warburton's medium slice bread. This is a 4-slice toaster, by the way, which means you can cut 4 fucking slices in it at once. How about that, boys? And you set how many minutes you want it to cook for. We're going to set this for 3 minutes. No, 1. Yeah, 1 minute. Nice and crispy toast. Oh shit, boys, it's kicking in. It's fucking kicking in now. Look at that. Look at the heat. Look how far fucking toast is going brown. Shit. Oh yeah, you can pop it up like that. What's that? If you can't reach. How about that, boys? To empty the breadcrumbs, it's got this round here, and you pull some tray out.